Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at
the importance of water and the water cycle. So, water carries nutrients to all the cells in our body and oxygen to our brains, quite importantly. Water allows the body to absorb and assimilate materials, vitamins, amino acids, glucose, and other substances. Water also flushes out toxins and waste from the body and helps us regulate body temperature. So it is used as a solvent and as a coolant both in the home and in industry. It is used in many important industrial processes, including the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Domestically, we use huge amounts of water for washing, in toilets and watering gardens. Farming procedures or producers waste water, including nutrient runoff from agricultural methods involving artificial fertilizers and solely from farm animals, which needs to be dealt with. So the river and reservoir water are regularly replenished by rain and can be treated to make it potable, which means that it's drinkable. Groundwater can be extracted from aquifers, where the water is trapped underground in a particular rock or clay formation. Water is the most abundant substance on the surface of the planet and is essential for all life. So the water in rivers, lakes, seas and oceans is evaporated by heat from the sun. So the water also evaporates directly from leaves of plants in a process called transpiration or evapotranspiration. The water vapour formed rises high into the atmosphere and is carried away by convection currents. It cools and forms clouds of condensed water vapour. So eventually this gives rain, hail or snow precipitation, and the water returns to the land, rivers, seas and oceans. So if we look at the physical water cycle as a process, so the water cycle starts in the ocean. Heat from the sun turns the water into vapour, which are tiny droplets of water that float into air in a process called evaporation. So the water vapour rises into the sky and cools and turns back into liquid water to make clouds. Right, this is a process called condensation. The wind blows clouds over land and they drop their water as rain, sleet or snow. This falls onto the land as water, which allows plants to grow and gives us drinking water. Much of the water then flows back into lakes and rivers and is carried back to the seas, and then the entire process begins again.
Thanks for watching.